Welcome to JH. Today, I'll show you how to manually insert a pixel code into Shopify. While it might look technical, I will walk you through every stage and offer helpful advice to simplify the process. First, access your Shopify account by visiting their website. On the main page, select the login link. You will be asked for your email address. Once entered, provide your password. After inputting your details, hit the login button to enter your admin dashboard. Now that you are inside, we need to head to the Themes area to adjust your store's layout. Locate the My Stores section and find the Themes option in the menu. Clicking this opens the page where you can modify your online shop's appearance. From the Themes page, we need to access the underlying files. Look for the Edit Code button and click it. This is where we will implement the tracking pixel, so follow along carefully to ensure everything is done correctly. Once the editor opens, you need to find a specific file named theme.liquid. This file manages the primary HTML structure of your entire Shopify store. Click on it to open the code view. Inside theme.liquid, you must identify the right spot for your pixel. Usually, these codes work best within the head tags to ensure they trigger on every page. Search through the text until you locate the opening and closing head tags. Now, paste your specific pixel code immediately before the closing head tag. Placing it here allows the pixel to initialize as soon as the page begins loading, which is vital for precise data tracking. Before moving forward, double-check the code you just added. It is essential to verify the formatting and make sure no other parts of the file were changed or deleted by mistake. Even a tiny error can disrupt your site's performance. When you are certain the code is correct, you need to commit the changes. Find the Save button, typically situated in the upper right corner of the editor. Clicking this will push the updates to your live website. After saving, it is smart to verify that the pixel is functioning. Visit your storefront, perform a few standard actions, and then check your pixel's management dashboard to confirm the data is being captured. Manually adding a pixel might feel daunting if you aren't used to HTML, but following these steps ensures your tracking is set up properly. Accurate data is key to optimizing your marketing and site performance. You should now feel comfortable navigating the Shopify backend and editing theme files. Always remember to save a backup of your original code before making edits. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment if you have questions, and like or subscribe for more guides. Happy coding!